Alright. So, um, we have everything set up here. And we can differentiate now our room and see what's going on. A little easier than we could before. But we have to deal with the pings. Okay? Now, the ping message is, like I said, Freenode will ping you every so often, and if you don't respond to it, then I guess you're deemed inactive, and if you're not active, then they're going to boot you. Okay? So it's like every 244 seconds or something like that. But, or it could be larger, plus or minus, I don't know, 40 seconds. That's how I see it on my end. If you don't respond to it, then you're in big trouble. And it'll boot you off. Now, sometimes if you type something, it may work. But who wants to do that all the time, right? So let's set this up so that if it pings us, we can respond to it and stay online without having to, rush to our computers and tap something. This is my login string here, or my login text. All this stuff is here. Now it's dittoed because I was trying to look through it all and see if I could find out what field the ping message may be in. Okay. Now I see I received a ping here. That should be the full string, and what it gave me was username at username. It said username at. See, here we go. It kicked me offline here. Username at. So I'm going to say the username is somewhere around the username field. Echo raw message. Username. I don't think it's that at all. I really don't know what field it is. I forget what field it is. I want to say it's source 0. Because in my script I included echo source all with every message. So this is the source all, and the next one would be it. It's not a nick flip, it's not to join, it's definitely not to part. Quit is dead. Channel user, username at. I don't think it's the username, for sure. I really don't think it's that. I'm gonna go with the source 0. That's what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with source 0. So I'm gonna set it up there. So for this ping message, we want to take care of this right away as soon as we see it. Alright? We have these variables set up here. Let me get rid of this. We have these variables all set up. We can give ourselves some room. Okay? We're going to set up another case statement here. We're going to say case. We're going to have to call a variable. We're going to call it ping message in. Close our case statement. We want to say if we read it and it equals ping, right? Just as the syntax says right here. Not that at sign there is from me. It's not from Freenode. That is from me. Where I guess something tried to print and didn't happen. Okay. Remember my ats delimiters I set out there for channel name, username and channel name separation. Ping. If it's a ping, let's tell the user first. Echo sending. Let's make this caps. Sending Pong. This way we know if it worked. And then we finally want to just ahead and we want to send Pong to Freenode and file descriptor 4. Okay. Don't forget we have to close these off. Where you put them isn't really important where you put them. Just that on this computer or on this version of Slack where I screwed up my file spacing or my tab spacing, so I can't do what I usually do. I only tab into. Back in the day I used to tab in 4, or tab in, but now I only space into and not tab. So I have to figure out how to reset that. Alright, so it's gonna go everything is there. Oh, we have to set up what is ping message. We're gonna let ping message equals source 0. Okay. Now it shouldn't affect us. Even with all these other variables in place, that should not affect us. But what I'm hoping this will do is it's going to catch ping message. If ping message source 0, let's say case ping message. Okay. If it's ping, we're going to send a Pong. Okay. Well, first we're going to tell the user we're going to send a Pong, and then we're going to actually send the Pong. Hopefully that will keep us alive. Now I'm keeping this different. I could, I guess, put this in there as a ping message and server message. I guess I could put that in there. If ping message or server message equals ping. But I haven't. And this will keep it all to itself. So let's reset. Let's let this cook off, and we'll see if we get any pings from the server, and see if we send any Pongs to the server. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute.